For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video from Filmy Mantra.
सर सर थोड़ा आइए सर
That bad, huh? Let's try it one more time. How's everybody doing? I'd like to tell you guys a few jokes. Is that okay?
Yeah, have you met? How are you?
Yes?
Great to see you.
Right after they're done. Isn't he famous? Oh my god. Hi, how are you?
हाँ थोड़ा आगे से मार
क्या नाम है?
जाते हो अरे मैम थोड़ा सा बाहर आ रहा है थोड़ा बस बस यस मैम या
Ma'am, left please.
या मैम या
Yeah, ji, left here.
थैंक यू
Because we may not have and informally share your thoughts. Thank you very much for your support in this matter. And with that, I can see the very lovely Dia Mirza walking in. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome her with a round of applause. Dia, thank you so much for joining us here this evening. Thank you very much. And now
I'd like to invite on stage Bollywood actor.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. I hope you're all having a wonderful evening. It is indeed my honor to be a part of the Dubai Land Department's first Real Estate Tycoon Awards. We're celebrating here today our effort to honor those who, with their vision and hard work, have changed Dubai's facade over the years. Dubai has been a home away from home for many Indians. It is well known for its luxury lifestyle and safety, most importantly safety. The credit for Dubai's global standing as the leading real estate destination of the world goes to each and every one of you present in this room today. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of the Real Estate Tycoon Awards, and I would like to thank Dubai Land Department for giving me an opportunity to be here this evening and to celebrate your success and honor you. Thank you so much for having me. I hope you have a wonderful evening. Thank you.
thank you very much for gracing us this evening. We're really delighted to have you here. And you can take your seat. I'm going to ask you to join me shortly. Thank you very much. Well, with that, ladies and gentlemen, it is my cue to open the 2017 Dubai Land Department Real Estate Tycoon Awards. It's my pleasure to give you now the first category tonight. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, under the category of Visionary Developer goes to
His Excellency Abdullah Ahmed Mohammad Al-Habai is the Group Chairman of Miraz. Under his visionary leadership, Miraz has established itself as a key innovator and carefully selected investments across different sectors.
First award tonight. Thank you very much and many congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for our next awardee and many congratulations to you, sir. Moving on under... Many congratulations, sir. And now
Temporary and international themed luxury villas, hotels, apartments and hotel apartments.
Well, His Excellency Salim Al Musa, ladies and gentlemen. A huge round of applause for him. Many congratulations, sir. as we come to the end of this category, can we have one round of applause for all? Many congratulations. Thank you and many congratulations. Many congratulations to you. And now time to take a look. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we come to the end. And let's have a huge round of applause for Dia. Yeah, thank you very much. Fantastic. Thank you once again. Congratulations to you, sir.
Yeah, Abhi, what I have to say about this particular event that's happening in Dubai Land Development related to real estate, and there's some award also. What I have to say about this?
Yeah, firstly, like I said, I'm here invited as a guest, and it's awards for felicity, appreciating all the great development that has happened in Dubai, and all those great builders are here. So it's like a great thing to honor them, because you know Dubai is one of the fastest growing cities and developed cities in the world. And so I love Dubai. It's like a home away from home, and whenever I get an opportunity, I never miss going to Dubai. And every time I go there, I see so much of change and so much of development in such a short period of time, which is amazing. So it's like a great thing, you know, to be a part of this great award ceremony, and to see that the people who've done such great work get felicitated. Yeah.
Something what do you like about Dubai actually? There are lots of
there's a lot.
Lots of things shopping.
There's a lots to do in Dubai. You know, it's like a, you know, it's like in every aspect. You know, whether you're looking for entertainment, you're looking for facilities, you're looking for food, people, everything, and for that matter, safety, security, which has now become a very big thing, because no matter what certain cities offer you, but there's very little. You can see that there's, you know, you're pretty not too sure whether there's anything safe over there at this point in time, you know. But Dubai, fortunately, for whatever reason, is a very safe city, very secure city, and you just feel great. So it's nice. So law and order situation is also good. So that's pretty much important, yeah.
Anything about investment, like from the investment point of view, from the Indian way?
Yeah, it would be great. I think a lot of Indians do invest, and they are a part of a lot of schemes over there, investment schemes and all over there. Yeah, you know, I have friends, I have people who have invested in Dubai. I, as of now, personally haven't invested in Dubai, but it would be a great opportunity at some stage to do that, yeah.
Last question, any particular film you might have shot or kabhi gaye ho?
I've done, yeah. In fact, my two films, both my films, Dabangg and Dabangg 2, we've shot portions in Dubai. So we've like, you know, shot songs over there, some sequences over there. So yeah, I have, yeah. And a couple of other films that I've worked as an actor, I've also shot in Dubai, yeah. Well, yeah, my next film as an actor is Tera Intezar, which is with Sunny Leone, which is going to be released on the 24th of November. So yeah, like all my films, I'm pretty much excited. But this one's a little different in the sense because this is my first opportunity to work with Sunny, and you know, it was wonderful because she's wonderful in the sense like she's very hardworking, and she's very warm and affectionate and nice person I met on the sets. And like I said, the films turned out pretty good as well. So we're hopeful that the movie will do well. Yeah. Thank you.
Federation of Real Estate Developers Association of Industry for the past 25 years. Mr. Thakkar is a prominent developer in his own right.
You present here for the award, actually, the Tycoon Award, what have you say about this particular occasion?
I'm really happy that the Dubai Land Department has invited me here today for the Dubai Land Tycoon Awards, Real Estate Tycoon Awards. I think it's wonderful to see a room full of enterprising people who've established and achieved such landmarks in their business, and we know, all of us know how many Indians live in Dubai and have their homes away from home, and it's really nice to see how many Indians have succeeded in Dubai in business. So it's been a wonderful evening.
What do you like about Dubai? Like, you must have visited many times. As you said, home away from home, definitely. It's just a 2.5
I think Dubai is a very, very enterprising place. It's a place that shows by example how discipline, dedication and commitment can change. I mean, look at Registan देश को, nation, शहर को उन्होंने इतनी खूबसूरत जगह में बदल दिया. And I think that really takes a lot of hard work and sincerity to make that possible.
Real estate की बात करते हैं. Any plans of investment or how safe you feel in the place actually? From the investment point of view, you being a businesswoman also actually.
Dubai is for its safety standards. It's got some of the highest safety standards in the world. And doing construction in Dubai is no easy feat. And I think any investor would feel secure in the knowledge that they would be delivered the best in quality if they were to invest in real estate in Dubai.
Dubai, what do you like about Dubai? Shopping is also as if known duty free and all those things. Any particular thing which you really like about Dubai?
I think Dubai has one of the most phenomenal infrastructures in the world. It's a great city, and it's a great city for its citizens and its tourists because it's just so easy to commute into. It's such a wonderful experience to have, and they've created so much beauty and wonder. I think that's what really makes Dubai stand out.
Any of your film which is shot over there?
Yes, one of my early films was shot in Dubai. Tumsa Nahi Dekha. I spent quite a few days shooting there. It was a great experience.
What's something we've not really seen actually much on the film? What's going on and production?
I think it's a combination of many things. One is that I have become more selective about my choices because I think after investing 12, 13, 15 years in the industry, you reach a point and stage in your life where you want to do work that you genuinely and truly care for and you respect. And therefore, I've limited the choices to only those that I truly care for. I'm looking forward to the Sanjay Dutt biopic that's going to be releasing early next year. I've been busy also with making films under my own production banner. It's not easy to run your own enterprise. And of course, there's so much else that I do with my life that I really enjoy. And maybe that's why you see a little less of me on screen. But I think it's important for you to see something that I truly care for as opposed to just seeing me and, for things that I don't really care for.
How the scenario do you find it even in the industry nowadays? Because what was a few years or maybe some years back actually, and now lots of making a film and promoting it, and the process has changed a lot.
The process has changed. The industry has become very exciting. I really think that with the advent of social media and other media platforms, film promotions, the work that goes into it has really quadrupled. There's a lot more that individuals have to do while promoting their films. Having said that, promotions are always difficult. It was a lot of work 10 years ago, and it continues to be a lot of work. In fact, as actors, we always joke that, being an actor and working on a film is always so much more fun than having to promote a film. The real work starts in promotion. So, I don't envy actors who have to keep going out there and promoting their films again and again each year. But I think what is a really refreshing and a wonderful change in the industry is that I think it's become a lot more streamlined. There's a lot more method in the madness, and there are a lot more professionals who genuinely want to tell good stories. Good actors and big stars are giving good stories opportunities. I mean, just recently, I don't know if Secret Superstar would have ever been made if it wasn't for Aamir Khan. So these are wonderful examples.
Yeah, one more last, just definitely last question. Any plans of producer to bange, lekin directing hai dhyan mein or any writing?
No, of course, I would like to direct someday. My core passion is storytelling, and it's something that even as an actor, I think the one thing that has always made me want to be an actor and be a part of films is the fact that I love being a part of stories and creating stories. So that is my primary passion. I would definitely like to direct someday.
Wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
Can I have one picture?
Guys, may I put the next award under this category?
Thank you.